What's up guys? Today we've got the first new pre-pro of 2020 in for review. It's the Arcam AV40. It retails for $4,500 at the time of this video. It's Arcam's 16-channel flagship processor, which we're going to unbox and get a closer look. Inside, we get one of the biggest manuals I've ever seen. It's like a dictionary. Inside this long bag, we get the power cable, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas, a calibration mic, the remote control, which looks very much like the audio controls, antenna and batteries, and a USB cable. Taking a closer look up front, we have two 3.5mm jacks for headphones and an auxiliary in. There's a few direct access buttons along the bottom with the volume knob on the left. And yes, the volume knob is made out of plastic. On the right side is the power button with the LCD display in the center. Around back is an Ethernet input, a USB input used for updates, unbalanced RCA pre-outs for all 16 channels and Zone 2, some standard RCA ins, 7 HDMI inputs with eARC support, and 3 HDMI outs. There's 6 digital inputs with 1 output and a few triggers. There's an RS-232 for custom installs, and of course there's balanced XLR outputs for all 16 channels. The cool thing this year is that channels 13 through 16 are assignable, so you could have 4 separate subwoofers that are independent of each other. The AV40 is supposed to get the newest version of DIRAC room correction, which will allow each subwoofer to be independently calibrated. Last year's models, the subwoofers acted as a single output rather than separate ones. Unfortunately, DIRAC will be rolling out soon with a firmware update, so yes, there's another processor without room correction out of the box. Other features are Apple's AirPlay 2 and Google Chromecast support, as well as Imax ENHANCED. The word is, Auro 3D will be coming with an update in the future as well. Hopefully it's a free update. Well, this is just a quick unboxing. We still got to wrap up the XMC2 review, and then we'll wrap up this one too. As always guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you found it useful, follow us on social media, and if you want to support the channel and get exclusive updates or just have some questions, then stop by our Patreon page. Tap the subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys again in the next one.